This 2024 Renegade Vienna 25VRML is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features a Athens interior, sleeps 2, stove-top burner, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.